channel, Tarot Reading with Shaista. Starting off with Taurus, this is going to be a reading for you from December the 21st to the 28th of December 2020, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card from right here as a message for you from the universe. I'd like you all to remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you out there. But if you're looking at a personal reading, of course, please feel free to email me on the email address that's been mentioned in the description box below. All right. Again, coming back to this being a general reading, what I really want to pass on here as an information to most of you is that these readings are general and they may not always resonate with all of you. And hence, it's best to just kind of take in what resonates with you and let the rest go, because this could be for you, your person, the situation you're in, or even vice versa kind of energy sometimes, because sometimes we do have cross watchers who watch these videos, probably for someone else, right? So I may be picking up energies from across all platforms. So just take in what makes sense to you and hold on to that thought and leave the rest. Okay, that's the best way to deal with general readings. All right, let's start. Taurus for the week of 21st December to 28th December 2020. All right, what I'm seeing here as an overall energy for your reading today is the Page of Swords. Some kind of a message that you're probably waiting on for some time now, and you're expecting some message that's definitely coming your way. I see that as an overall message or the energy for the reading here, but let's just go on to see where this kind of fits in. In the recent past, I see the Queen of Wands, I see the Queen of Swords, and I see the Ten of Wands. Two very strong entities, one very outspoken and the other who's extremely ambitious. I could be talking about the same person, maybe two sides to them, or it could be two people we're dealing with who both have a common objective in terms of getting successful at their workplace or in some project together. In the recent past, it could be you working towards some common goal, or two people here. It could be a family, it could be two partners here. I see it more as family members who are probably working together in their business, and I see them working very hard, or that was at least what the impression I get from the past energies, that the idea was to do well and be successful in whatever you're setting out to be and doing. In the current situation, with the Eight of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the Hermit, everything was going fine in terms of success. It was coming your way. There was a lot of happiness in the house. Everything was working together. But someone decided to, or one of you is probably doing a lot of deep thinking at this point in time. This could be perhaps there was some discord perhaps during this entire journey. And there is someone who's definitely kind of looking within and introspecting a lot of late. It could be one of the two of you, all right, who's doing this. It could be you, Taurus. Maybe you are introspecting a little bit and trying to see where things could have been better or how to improve on things. Definitely one of you. It could also be, the person you're dealing with here, who has decided to kind of just go all passive, and it's not in a bad way, but to kind of introspect and look within and see how things can improve. Okay, going forward, I see the Chariot, the Seven of Wands, and the Three of Cups. I definitely see movement, though this looks like a little temporary stagnation here, because one of you has decided to go into this deep thinking mode. But you will succeed. This good news, that what I was expecting, or what I was looking at here as an overall energy with the Page of Swords here, clearly indicates that this was bound to be, some kind of good news for all the hard work you had put in the past. Something really kind of worked out for you. Maybe it was one person's idea to do something in a certain way and the other was not very confident, and it did succeed. And finally, this person who was not very confident all along kind of has gone into this introspective mode, probably blaming himself or herself for, probably not having faith in you, but not in a bad way, but probably self-realization is what I see happening here for them in the current situation. But the Page of Swords here clearly indicates to me that all good things, everything is rewarded. Hard work always pays. And I think that outcome is what's going to happen in the future, because I see movement. I see a lot of fulfillment, a lot of things coming together, choices, an exchange of ideologies. And I see the Three of Cups, a lot of successful working together as a team and learning some new skill, a lot of development. It could be, learning the trait better in terms of, advancing. I do see exchange of values, exchange of ideologies, and I see a lot of things coming together for you, Taurus, going forward. So if you plan to do this with a friend or a family member, please go ahead with whatever plan you have, because I see this being very successful for you. All right, that's what I have for you here, Taurus, today. Let's go on to see what the oracle cards have to say as messages for you from the universe. All right, for Taurus, for the week 21st to the 28th of December, please give me a message for Taurus for the week of 21st to the 28th of December 2020 for Taurus. A message for Taurus. Bang on. So this is exactly what I meant. When you look at the first card, the message that's coming in from the universe for you is self-acceptance. Like I said, accepting that one went wrong. Like I said, it could be you, it could be the people you're dealing with very closely, and so who you're associated with in your business or whatever project you're working on currently. They will understand, they will realize that your ideas are better, or you will realize their ideas are better. This could be a vice versa kind of a situation, because I definitely see two energies involved. And of course, a work environment. I see blessings and abundance as a message coming in from the universe, that you are completely blessed and there is going to be abundance, prosperity, success coming your way. And I also see a lot of healing energy around you. The Hermit card, if you remember in the current energies, I said somebody is going to kind of just move away and become a little passive, not in a negative way, but I think to heal, to introspect, and the self-acceptance is coming from there. All right, so I definitely see an overall healing energy that's coming in from the universe, and the energy is, like, go ahead, everything is going to go as per plan. You just need to kind of be self-aware, work harder perhaps, and then just try and strive for that common goal that you probably set out to achieve in the first place when you set up this shop or this business or this venture together. All right, so that's what I see as messages for you from the oracles. All right, and I now see you next week. Till then, do take care and stay safe.